looking mighty fine, powered by an AX46. She's a little bit less power than the other Mojo. We're looking forward to getting both of these up. So we're going to rock and roll on this day. Well, it's August 21st, and we got some sunny skies. Changes to the bottom, added the white striping underneath there, along with that big, nice blue and white sticker. Compliments of Mr. Bone. I'm not happy with the pitch. I'd rather have a 12 3/4 on here, but we're running a 12.4, and she's hovering okay. She's got lots of power. We got all the nice runways that the maintenance crew's done with all the markers, but haven't had to use them because always using the wrong runway. But the Mojo scratch is looking good, so we'll put it right down on the marker. Okay, let's get her on runway 27. Touched that plane down to land it. She touched a wind gust like that, picked it right up like that. Holy smokeroos. She's a windy bitch out here. Why do I come out when it's so windy? Beautiful sky, but about to end. Regina RF Radical Flyers Fly Squad. And get home because the winds are just gusting stupidly. Anyway, it is what it is.